Make a sentence. I wake up at 7 a.m. Make a sentence. She brushes her teeth every morning. Make a sentence. He takes a shower after breakfast. Make a sentence. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Make a sentence. They go to work by bus. Make a sentence. She does her homework after school. Make a sentence. He exercises at the gym. Make a sentence. I cook dinner for my family. Make a sentence. We watch TV in the evening. Make a sentence. He goes to bed at 10 p.m. Make a sentence. I make coffee every morning. Make a sentence. She feeds her dog at 7 a.m. Make a sentence. I check my emails at work. Make a sentence. He runs errands on Saturday. Make a sentence. We go grocery shopping on weekends. Make a sentence. I take a walk in the park. Make a sentence. She does laundry every Friday. Make a sentence. He irons his shirts for work. Make a sentence. I attend meetings at the office. Make a sentence. She cooks lunch for her family. Make a sentence. I take a break every hour. Make a sentence. They do household chores together. Make a sentence. He practices guitar every evening. Make a sentence. We spend time with family on Sundays. Make a sentence. I prepare for bed at 9 p.m. Make a sentence. She meditates in the morning. Make a sentence. They volunteer at a local shelter. Make a sentence. I go for a run in the morning. Make a sentence. He takes a nap after lunch. Make a sentence. I plan my day over breakfast.